My niece dropped her lid for her dog food container and cracked it and broke pieces off. So I'm going to see if I can put it back together. I got the pieces here. Let's see what I can do with it. Okay, now I need to figure out where all the pieces go. Alright, that one fits there. There's the ridge on top. That one goes there. I got this one last long piece. That looks like the front, and there's the other ridge. Got one little piece missing. That's alright, I can fill that with wood glue or something. It's on the bottom anyway. Now I need to glue it back together. When I got that first little piece put in there, it was kind of hard to get it together. And then I put a little dowel in there to glue that in there. And hopefully that will help give it more strength. Keep it from peeling off. Then I can put the other pieces in. And now I'm going to cut this excess dowel off of here. Dowel rod. Now I'll put these other pieces on. Try to get that lined up right. Alright, it goes on this way. Put some glue. Don't want to get too much. I think that's it. Line up the edges. Of course, there's a little chip missing here and there I'll never find. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll put the next piece in. Go ahead and get this clamp off. Now I got to start putting the rest of these pieces on. That one goes there. Put some glue on it. Get that piece lined up. I'm going to let this piece set up. And then I'm going to put on the last piece. Now I'm going to glue this last piece in. Get enough glue on there. Now I'm going to put it in place. Gotta get it to slide in, I guess. It's not going to sit perfect because we got all busted up, and this is flush here, but this is sitting up high. So all I can do is glue this back together, put some wood putty in there, and then sand it back down. Yeah, that's all I can do. I don't have any wood filler with me, so I'm going to make some out of sawdust and wood glue. Mix that up real good. Build it up just a little because I'm going to sand it down after it dries real good. We'll let that dry really good and see how it turns out. Go ahead and sand it down. Okay, I went ahead and stained it. I'm not too happy with the way it came out, but you got all different kinds of wood on there and glue, and it just I only had one dark stain here. I wasn't about to buy another whole bottle just for this little bit of work, but my niece will love it because it's just the top for her dog food bowl. So that's what we got.